This video is on multiplying monomials. When you multiply monomials with a common base, you add the exponents. So whether it's written n squared times n cubed like this or n squared times n cubed like this, you have a common base of n. When you have a common base, you add the exponents. 2 plus 3 would be 5. And the reason that is because you literally have 2 n's and 3 more n's for a total of 5 n's. When you're multiplying monomials with a common base, you keep the base and you add the exponents. That would be n to the 5th. Here's another example. My common base is 3. So I have 3 3's here. I have 4 more 3's here for a total of 7 3's. So 3 plus 4 gives me 3 to the 7th power. And if I put 3 to the 7th power in my calculator, I would get 2,187. But usually 3 to the 7th power will be good enough for our answer. So let's talk about putting 3 to the power of 7 in our calculator. I'm using the TI-30X IIS, Texas Instruments. This symbol right here, top left of the 7 on this calculator, is your power of symbol. On your keyboard, it's above the 6. That symbol means to the power of. So if I want to do 3 to the power of 7, I hit 3 to the power of 7 equals. Let's see what that looks like on the screen. Three to the power of 7 equals. And that gives us our answer, 2187. So remember that power of button on your calculator. Here's another example. 2n cubed times 4n to the 4th. Here I have two things to multiply together. My coefficients, 2 times 4 is 8, and my n's, n cubed times n to the 4th is n to the 7th. 3 plus 4 is 7. Example 4, 2n times n cubed. My coefficients are 2 times 1. 2 times 1 gives me 2. My base of n has an exponent of 1, understood to be here, and an exponent of 3 here. 1 plus 3 is 4. So your answer is 2n to the 4th. You try number 1. 3y to the 4th times 7y to the 5th. There were two things to multiply together. Your coefficients, 3 times 7 is 21, and your y's. 4 y's plus 5 more y's gives you a total of 9 y's. The answer is 21 y to the 9th. Try number 2. Number 2 is k to the 4th. I have 1k here plus 3 more k's here for a total of 4 k's. Let's try number 3. Number 3 says 5a to the 4th b times 7a to the 4th b cubed. You'll have 3 things to multiply on this one: the coefficients, the a's, and the b's. Give it a try. When I multiply my coefficients together, 5 times 7 is 35. When I multiply my a's together, 4a's plus 4a's is 8a's. And when I multiply my b's together, 1b plus 3b's is 4b's. So the answer is 35, a to the 8th, b to the 4th. Try number 4. Number 4 says 9w squared x to the 8th times w to the 6th x to the 4th. On number 4, on my coefficients, I have 9 times 1, which is 9. On my w's, I have 2 plus 6 for a total of 8 w's. And on my x's, I have 8 plus 4 for a total of 12 x's. Let's try number 5. Number 5 says negative 4r x squared t cubed times negative 6 r to the 5th x squared t. So you have 4 things to multiply together on this one: the coefficients, the r's, the x's, and the t's. On number 5, -4 times -6 is positive 24. R to the first times R to the fifth, 1 plus 5 is R to the sixth. X squared times X squared is X to the fourth. T cubed times T to the first is T to the fourth. Try number 6, which says Q squared times 2Q to the fourth. One times 2 is 2, and Q squared times Q to the fourth is Q to the sixth. The answer is 2Q to the sixth. Try number 7. All right, my coefficients are 1 times 7, which is 7. On my b's, I have 8 plus 6, which is b to the 14th. On the c's, 6 plus 2 gives me c to the 8th. On the d's, 5 plus 1 gives me d to the 6th. Try number 8. On number 8, I have -2 times 6, which is -12, and m squared times m to the 6th, which gives me m to the 8th. Thank you.